Hello and welcome to Abby Varieties TV. Today I'll be showing you how to make Ayamase sauce or Ayamase Stew. It could also be called Ofada sauce or Ofada stew. So let's get right into the video. Ayamase is usually made with assorted meats and is usually cut into bites or small sizes like this. So this meat has been washed and it's been cut into smaller sizes. Please ensure your meats are properly washed, cleaned, and cut into bits. So now we'll be seasoning with diced onions, one tablespoon of curry powder, 1 tablespoon of thyme, some bouillon powder, and of course we'll add salt to taste. So we're gonna mix all of this together and give it a very nice mix. I won't be adding water to my meat because I want it to cook in its own juice, but feel free to add water, especially if your meat is very tough. Now we'll cover and cook meat till tender and nicely cooked and soft. While our meat is cooking, we will have to boil our eggs because egg is one of the very important ingredients in Ayamase. So we'll be adding some water to the raw eggs. Then we'll cover and we cook that on the cooker. The uniqueness of Ayamase is the use of green peppers rather than the red peppers that we normally use in other recipes. So here we have 4 green bell peppers, 2 scotch bonnet peppers. Please use the green scotch bonnet if you can find one. Thumb-sized ginger, 1 clove of garlic, and 1 large onion. So we'll chop or blend this roughly. Here is our chopped peppers. Look at how much juice it produced, even though I didn't add any water while chopping it. So I would advise you not to add any water or liquid at all. So now we need to cook this so that the water or the juice can reduce. In a pan, we're gonna add some cooking oil and then we'll make the oil to be very hot. Then we'll add diced onions and fry this for about 20 seconds. And now we'll add in our meats to fry. If you're new to my channel, you're very welcome. Thank you very much for stopping by. Please ensure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my new videos. And I will really appreciate you to join this beautiful family of ours. And to you, my returning subscribers, thank you so much, guys. You guys are sweet. You guys are wonderful. Thank you for your love and support. It is highly appreciated. God bless you. We're just gonna fry our meat briefly. We don't need to fry it, to be very brown. It's just just lightly brown color. That's what we want to achieve. And of course you stir it around. So when your meat is slightly brown, you want to take it out of the oil. And in a pot, we're gonna add 1 cup and 1/4 cup of palm oil. And then we're gonna bleach this palm oil to be very, very light color. But please, while bleaching the oil, you need to make sure that your kitchen is well ventilated. You need to open all windows and make sure that you have a lot of air inside your kitchen, because everywhere will be very, very smoky. And if you have a vent, it's advisable that you put on your vent. And whenever you want to open the pot while the oil is bleaching, turn off your stove or reduce your cooker to the lowest. Please, it's very important. So this is the color that we want to achieve, the one that is thick. That's the right color, like a brandy liquor color. That is how you know that your oil is well bleached. So now we'll add diced onions, and then we'll fry that for about 20 seconds. And of course we'll add in 4 tablespoons of locust beans. And we fry that for about 20 seconds as well. So now we're gonna scoop in our peppers. And then we stir everything together. Then we cover and fry this for 20 minutes. It's been 20 minutes now. We're ready to season our stew. We'll be seasoning with 1 tablespoon of ground crayfish. Please do not use much crayfish, just a tiny bit will do. And of course bouillon powder, and we stir this together. If you use too much crayfish, the taste of the crayfish will outshine the original taste of the ayamase, and we don't want that. So a little will do. So now we'll taste our stew, and then we'll adjust our seasoning accordingly. I will need more salt, so I'm adding a bit of salt. And then we're gonna stir that. And then we taste for the second time to be sure our seasoning is right. So now we'll be adding our fried assorted meats. And then we stir everything together. Lastly, we'll add our boiled eggs. And then we stir everything together to combine. Look at that beauty, guys. Stir together nicely and let's simmer for 5 minutes. Then Ayamase is ready. Try this recipe and I would like to see your comment. Like, comment and share this video and watch my other videos as well. Thank you very much. Bye.